Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ani here from the learning class. Today's video is on how to optimize your CPU to improve your gaming performance. This will work on Windows 10, Windows 11. It will work on any laptop. Even if you have a very old laptop or old desktop, this little tweaks that you can do will definitely improve your performance, especially if you're a gamer. So without further ado, let's quickly get into it. Before we do, guys, we are a brand new channel, so please consider subscribing, liking, doing all the good stuff, and it's free and it just helps us out. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we're going to do is just go to your search and just type in Task Manager. So once we're in Task Manager, what we're going to do is we are going to go to Startup. Now, Startup is where, when your computer is starting up, there are apps which are running in the background. So what you want to do is you want to disable them. So as you can see, I have disabled most of it. So basically to disable, all you have to do is just right click it and then just click disable, and that's it. So the stuff that you don't need, the apps that you don't need, make sure you disable them. Okay, the step number 2 is go back to your search again and just type in game mode settings, right? So just click on that and you will see game mode settings. So make sure this is on. Okay, once it's on, it will basically optimize your entire laptop for gaming performance. So just make sure this is on. Okay, step number 3 is browser. So we're gonna go to Chrome. This will work on any browser that you're using. On your Chrome browser, just go to settings, just click on these 3 dots, go to settings, and then go to system, and then make sure continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So make sure this is switched off. By default, you might find this on, so just switch it off. So basically this will again switch off all the unnecessary apps that you don't need, which is running in the background, hence it is hurting your gaming performance. So make sure this is off. Okay, so we're gonna get out of that. Step number 4 is on the bottom right hand side, you're gonna see this hidden icons, right? Once you click that, you will see it's called a tree icon. So once you click that, you will see the different apps which are here. So make sure you click on the app and just close the app. The stuff that you don't need, just exit it. So that way, again, it will increase your gaming performance, because these apps which are running in the background, they just take a lot of power. Okay, so step number 5 is we're gonna go back to our device manager. So go to your search, just type device manager, and then you will see something like this. In device manager, we're gonna go to system devices right over here at the bottom. Just click that, and once you click on system devices, we're gonna look for precision event timer. So high precision event timer, so that's what we're looking for, and make sure that you have disabled this. Okay, so just disable it. Okay, once you disable it, especially if you're using like a Ryzen laptop or something, you will find 10 to 20% increase in performance. So make sure high precision event timer, and you just click on it, and right click and disable it. Okay, so once that's done, we go to the next step. The next step is to basically go on your registry. So going to your registry, just go to your search again and just type Registry Editor, and you will see this. Click on yes. So now you will have this this thing opened up. Right now we need to copy paste a link which I'm going to provide in the file. in the, not the file, sorry, I'm going to provide this in the description. Just copy this, go back to your registry, right? And just delete this, paste this, and just do enter. So the first thing we're going to do is the system responsiveness. So we're going to click that, just double click it, and this value we're going to make it 1. Okay, and then just do okay. The next thing you're going to do is go to tasks. So you can see tasks over here. Click on task and then click on games. And once you click on games, then we're going to go to GPU priority. So click that and make sure this value is 8. Okay, so save that and then go to priority and then make this as 6. Okay, and then click OK, and then go to scheduling category, and this is set at medium, so we want to make it high. Okay, so it's H is capital HIGH, and then just click on OK. And then the last one is SFIO priority, so just click that, and that will be set at normal, and we want that high as well. So that's it. Once you've done that, just click OK, come out of the window, and those are the settings that you basically need to improve your gaming performance. So give this setup a go and let me know in the comments, if it helped you in increasing your CPU performance. So that's it, guys, for today's tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next tutorial. So till then, take care, be safe, and thank you very much. Bye now.